All right, so here I got my Subaru Outback 2005. I'm going to be doing some repairs on it. First and foremost, the trunk doesn't stay open, so that's going to have to be fixed. I have the parts for that already, and I will also be fixing the shocks. The headlights also need replacing. I'll be eventually replacing my stereo. That won't be happening today, but I want to replace it so then it's a nicer version. The seat is also in need of repair, so I'll be replacing that at some point. Carpets also need replacing, and I will eventually be doing that. The doors don't stay open, so I will be fixing that as well. As you can see, the door handles are different on the driver's side than the other doors, so I'll be replacing that as well to get a cleaner look. The window does not work also. It does work for this one. But not the driver's side. So I'll be fixing that as well. All right, so there will be more repairs as I own the car for longer. But for now, I'm just gonna start with the ones that I have mentioned and go from there. Okay, so here are the parts. We've got a driver's side and we have a passenger side. So we'll be replacing both of those and see if that fixes the problem. Okay, so here's the part we will be changing first. It is the driver's side. All right, so I got this off of Amazon. Comes with the part and looks like the ball. Pretty simple. All right, so it's a regular Phillips screw. So let's take this out. We're getting some pressure from the crappy thing. All right, so there's going to be a lot of pressure coming from this thing, so you want to make sure that you have your back high enough up so you're not scratching your interior. All right, to make my job easier, I'm gonna be taking this off. Okay, so to take this piece off, you gotta take out, they have two plastic clips here. Come off just like this. And there's supposed to be two, but I only have one. Previous owner had it off. And then it just slides right off. Now, to take off the light, you're gonna have to unscrew another Phillips and another. Two Phillips, just like that. And it slides right off. Leave that right there. All right, now I'm sorry I don't have the exact size measurement for this, but I'm gonna come here with a wrench. And there you go, comes right off. And now, to put the new one in. Next, you pop the ballpoint in, reinsert the pin like so, click into place. All right, now that we've done that, we'll screw this back in. I like to do the bottom part first. Anytime I do one of these, so that is easier on me when I do it. Okay, so now we're gonna place it here. One screw in. There we go. Next, we reinstall the light. Next, we're going to reinstall this piece, the cover. Pretty simple. And it's in there. I don't have this, but that's all right. That'll suffice. All right, now that I know how to do it, it should be way easier. All right, now we'll go ahead and unscrew this. And it's out. All right, now we'll go ahead and unscrew this. And it's out. Now do we do the same thing? Make sure that the pin is out first. You put this piece into the socket with some pressure. It pops, you put the pin back. So let's put this in first. Very good. All right, so next we screw this in. Like so. There we go. All right, so next we're gonna put this back in. Next, we put these in, fasteners. Like so. All right, defining moment. Do they work? And yes, they do. Close very nicely. Open very nicely as well. All right, I got these off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. Make sure to check those out. Now, I'll be doing more videos of my 2005 Subaru Outback, so make sure to check those out as well. I did a little walkthrough at the beginning to show you what fixes I will be doing throughout the videos. I will be doing more, but for now, that's what I'll start with. I'll also be doing videos in the future with other people fixing their cars so you can learn from them as well. Make sure to check out my videos, like, and subscribe. See you next time.